That's it. We are going to make a 3-mile walk in the forest. Okay, that is going to be a way in and out. It's not a loop this time. It's a 3-mile, mile and a half in, mile and a half out. Okay, we're gonna walk until we get to the last part that are the boulders. Remember I explained we're gonna be helping each other to get up to the top if it's clear to see the lake or the volcano. Then from there we drive back, we get on the bus and we leave. That means that since we leave in the morning the hotel, we are not coming back to the hotel. Okay, we leave the hotel, we do the walk, and we continue toward to the area of Santa Elena, making a stop on the way for lunch, and then getting into Santa Elena to the Establo Hotel. Okay? The timing, like I said, I will set that when I get to the hotel, go to the room, come back, put the paper on the information board, so you will have the timing of luggage call and the timing of departure for tomorrow. Are we clear with the extra clothing thing, and why you will read that it said extra clothing there? Is because if it rains like today morning, you have the choice to change. If it's not in the bathroom of the hotel, the bathroom of the bus, in the bathroom of the national park, into dry clothes. As you see, handy always the umbrella, the raincoat, and the insect repellent. By the way, with the insect repellent and all these, you are going to use that when you are out of the bus, when we're starting the walk. Not before, not in the bus, because the air conditioning will take it and spread the bug spray in everybody's face. So inside the bus you do not spray. Outside the bus, when you're doing the activity, is a good idea. If you want to spray for the mosquitoes tomorrow on the walk, that will be a good idea. Okay? Pura vida. It's about 10-15 minutes to drive there. Other birds, because they are predators. They eat eggs. It's very clear that it's only one. Most of the time they follow in pairs. They go in pairs. Okay. It's right on the top. Perch. There was a flycatcher about this big. He perched on the side. Look at the
The people when we meet over to Los Chiles, remember the boat ride yesterday, you look at the electric wires and they were growing on the electric wires. Yes. They take their nutrients from the air. The orchids, some of them have the shape of 1 inch here, and not only they have the shape of it, they also produce that. Okay, this thing here, now you can get closer to pictures. Right? Yeah, in this tree here, this is a ficus or banyan tree or the fast food. When I say fast food of the forest, is the pollination of them is by a wasp. The wasp drill the hole in, lay eggs, get pollen, and then fly to another of the same species and do the same thing. And on the last flower, on the last seed, she will die inside. So. That area is dry. Okay? The termites, since the Smithsonian Institution, who is based one in New York and one in Barra del Colorado, an island in Panama, with the most studied place worldwide. All the books come from there. Okay, talks that the termites are the fastest jaw around the world. Okay? They have the fastest jaw around the world, and they cannot digest the wood by themselves, so they have a microorganism that lives in the stomach of the termites. They digest the cellulose of the wood and transfer the food. That means that is the only animal worldwide that can extract sugar out of the wood. Okay? So when an animal breaks into the nest, they consume these a lot, then you're going to consume a lot of formic acid. And it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. Okay? And then you will try to leave the termite nest alone. You see all of you
saprophytic mushroom.
Are you gonna try it? I can help you go up. I can give you both.
I have balance problems.
Oh, the bell. You can, no, that's good. You hold the bell. If you hold the bell, he will give you that.
No, I think I'll just hold on for dear life.
Okay.
No. Let's just see what we do.
Well, he will be if she
these
falls, you
little-
will be without pants.
It's these little unexpected things.
Take your time.
So anyway, I thought maybe they have a...
No.
I don't know where it goes. Anyway, it's fantastic. Oh. Hope we all had our tetanus shots. Okay, hold on. This is a bit of a challenge. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, no.
1,500 feet. No, that's what we have until. Okay. Perfect. How are we doing on the back?
How's the other lady doing?
Oh, up there.
Okay, hold on.
Let me hold you. Wait.
No, I think maybe this way would be
It's right side better. Whichever way
Yeah,
works.
let's go this
Follow
way.
the sand. Between the sand. There we go.
Left this way.
One day orchid.
I know my body.
You can take the That's a 1 day orchid. Need a hand?
No, I'm just, I do, but it's not going to be good. I know my body. I just
Okay.
when I take pictures, I mean, I may be able to make it, but I'm not
I'll
sure.
stop right here.
Yeah, take your hand.
So slow and steady, you make the race, right?
Take the flat area, I take the rock.
Okay.
Opa. Opa. Use those sticks. There you go. Perfect.
You got the flag?
Okay, this is the top.
Thank you, Louise.
Pleasure.
You're welcome. Pleasure. I've already been stepping back so the people can
Right
spit.
over here.
Thank you so much.
You're
amazing.
You can come.
And then we have the lake.
I didn't know it was this close.
Oh,
The Arenal Lake.
All the way.
yeah, no, they're uneven.
And then the other thing is that these okay, we're not going more than that second spot there, okay, please?
That's it, you got it. Are you black or black just together? I want to take a shot. That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
trying to get a
You're gonna need
higher
help
view of
down.
the lake, but
Yeah.
So let's go.
Our passage.
you may save your ankles.
Thank you.
Okay.